Today, we bring you exhilarating news about the highly anticipated 4th generation iPhone SE. Brace yourselves as we dive deep into the intriguing leaks and details surrounding this upcoming marvel. The latest buzz suggests a groundbreaking addition to the iPhone SE lineup: an OLED display. Yes, you heard it right, an OLED display making its debut in the iPhone SE series. Join us on this exciting journey as we explore the potential release date, speculated price, and jaw-dropping features that might redefine the iPhone SE experience. Before we delve into the upcoming marvel, let's take a moment to reflect on the journey of the iPhone SE series thus far. The current iPhone SE, based on the iPhone 8 design, has been holding the fort for nearly 3 years. Released in 2022, it brought 5G connectivity and the powerful A15 chipset, elevating the user experience. As we eagerly await the next installment, let's reminisce about the iPhone SE models of the past, from the original 2016 model based on the iPhone 5S design to the 2020 version following the iPhone 8 design. Now, let's shift our focus to the 4th generation iPhone SE, where major transformations are anticipated. The most thrilling revelation suggests a departure from the familiar iPhone 8 design, with the iPhone SE 4 adopting the sophisticated iPhone 14 design. According to reports from Mac Rumors, this means Face ID replacing Touch ID, a potential dual camera setup, and an expansive 6.1-inch display. However, contrary to earlier speculations, it seems the display might stick to an LCD screen rather than an OLED, reminiscent of the iPhone XR and iPhone 11, possibly to manage costs. The design modifications don't end there. A standard USB-C port might grace the bottom, a notable shift from the Lightning port in previous models. Moreover, there's even talk of an action button addition, providing users with enhanced functionality. While the iPhone 14 design promises a sleek look, it also brings changes in dimensions: a larger and slightly heavier device. The iPhone 14 dimensions stand at 146.706 mm in length, 71.5 mm in width, and a thickness of 7.8 mm, with a weight increase of 15–20%. Moving on to the release date, let's analyze the historical pattern. Previous iPhone SE models have predominantly been released around springtime, March or April. Considering this trend, and the fact that Apple strategically spaces out the release of its flagship iPhones, it's plausible to expect the iPhone SE 4 in 2024. After the 2016 release on March 31 ST, the 2020 release on April 24 TH, and the 2022 release on March 18 TH, the logical progression points to 2024 for the next unveiling. Now, let's discuss the specifications that make tech enthusiasts eagerly anticipate the iPhone SE 4. A significant shift in design calls for a 6.1-inch LCD, with whispers of the possibility of an OLED display, adding an extra layer of excitement. The resolution is expected to be 2532 by 1170. Offering a pixel density of 460 pixels per inch for a crystal clear viewing experience. Inside, we anticipate 6 GB of RAM, with storage options likely capped at 128 GB and 256 GB. Under the hood, the A16 Bionic chipset is expected to power the device, maintaining the SE's tradition of using the previous flagship's chipset. With 5G connectivity and a 4-core GPU, the iPhone SE 4 is geared up for a seamless and powerful performance. An intriguing addition to the mix is the possibility of an action button, providing users with new ways to interact with their devices. As we consider the camera setup, speculation points to either a single 12-megapixel wide lens or a dual camera setup mirroring the iPhone 14. Regardless, the focus remains on delivering high-quality imaging capabilities. The battery, reportedly a 3279 mAh unit, aims to keep the device powered throughout the day. With an IP68 rating, the iPhone SE 4 assures users of water resistance up to 6 meters for 30 minutes, adding durability to its list of features. Now, let's touch upon the anticipated pricing. The base model, with 128 GB storage, is expected to be priced at $449, while the 256GB variant might come in at $569. This pricing strategy aligns with Apple's tradition of offering the SE series as a more budget-friendly alternative. In conclusion, the iPhone SE 4 promises to be a game-changer with its new design, upgraded features, and potential OLED display. While leaks and rumors should be taken with a grain of salt, the excitement and anticipation for this device are palpable. Stay tuned for more updates on the iPhone SE 4, and don't forget to share your thoughts and expectations in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for the latest updates, and until next time, tech enthusiasts, see you soon. Goodbye.